How to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, type the name of the game and then go to the official website here. So if you scroll down, you will see PC download and other downloads. Click on PC download. So open your file explorer and go to your downloads and double click on the file that you have just downloaded. Click on run. Go ahead and tick I have read and agree to the terms of service, and then click on Install Now. Once installation is complete, click on Run Now. So you'll see the option of Get Game right here. Click on Get Game. So if you see insufficient space on disk, click on Confirm, and then click on Change here. Select Desktop, and then click on Select Folder. So once you selected a folder that has enough space to install this game, you'll be able to click on Install. Once the game is installed, go ahead and launch it and you'll be able to play the game. So this is how to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.